Hey, I'm so glad you could come over. How are you? That's good, I'm glad. Yeah, I'm okay. Just really happy you're here. Of course. I love when we hang out. It always makes my day. Yeah, you know the drill. Need to cleanse you before you come in. No, I promise it isn't anything against you. I trust you. I just don't trust any negative energies that might have latched onto you without your knowledge. Hush, I'm not paranoid. Just let me cleanse you like usual. There. Now you can come in. So, Final Destination Marathon as we promised? Perfect. Now I already have popcorn and candy and soda. Well, of course I'd go overboard. I wanted to make sure I had any snack you might have craved while watching a movie. Well, yeah, I could have texted you and asked. Just, let's start the movie. Did you need a blanket or anything? No? Okay. Just let me know if you need one. Are you not liking the movies? No, it was just random of you to mention. I'm not sure. We just usually hang out in here and watch movies or play games, or we're in the kitchen making whatever recipe we want to try from TikTok. Yeah, I don't mind you seeing my room. We can go. So, here it is. Is it everything you've hoped for? I'm not being sarcastic. I just don't know if you're expecting something amazing. A tour? Yeah, I can give you a tour. I don't mind. Okay, so here is my Billie Eilish wall. As you can tell, this is where any picture or poster I have of her goes. What? I love her. Plus, look at this wall. I have other artists too. Kitty, Korn, Deftones, Slipknot, Avril Lavigne. Look, this is my bookshelf. Yeah, I read a lot. So what? This is my record player. I go to the thrift store or discount stores and get all my records there. Yeah, I do have a lot. I love music and I love collecting them. And if you look up here, this is my hanging shelf. And it has all of my crystals. I just step on my stool and get the ones I need. I know I'm short. I do keep the same ones in my purse at all times, though. And here is my bedside table. And as you can see, I have my incense holders, my perfume, my candle, my water, my diffuser, my essential oil, my spells, my herbs, my tarot cards. No, I don't hex people. I just do spells for myself. Like this one, it's to enhance my intuition. This one's to bring out my self-love. This one's to manifest abundance. I do them on the full moon. That's the best time to manifest. Yeah, I definitely could teach you all about the moon. You like my tapestries? Thank you. I like to cover my wall and ceiling with them, as you can tell. What? I hate any sight of bare wall. Guess I'm a bit of a hoarder, but I love it. You're sweet, thank you. I'm glad you like it. And now, you can say you've officially seen every bit of my apartment. Definitely an advancement in our friendship. Okay, I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick, so give me like 2 seconds. Okay, I had a... What were you reading? No, what were you reading? My journal? Why'd you snoop through my journal? Oh, yeah. Sorry, I forgot I was writing in it before you came over. So I'm guessing you saw what I wrote today? No, I'm not expecting someone else to come over. Put two and two together. Yeah. I've had a crush on you for a while. Because you're the most beautiful girl I've ever laid eyes on. You're sweet and funny. You always know what to say when I'm going through any sort of life crisis. You think about these ideas in a philosophical and deeper way than anyone I've ever known. You light up a room anytime you walk into it. You're just the most amazing and breathtaking person I've ever met. I'm not sure when exactly. I guess it just slowly came about. I get reminded of it when you smile. Like, your dimples really show. You scrunch your nose a bit. I also like how you weren't afraid to say what's on your mind. You know what you want, and it's admirable. Wait. So you feel the same way about me? Since when? Why didn't you tell me? No, I'm just shocked. You never made it too obvious, and you didn't even make it obvious that you had a crush on anyone specifically. Now we both have these feelings for each... I'm talking too much, aren't I? I'm not a dork, hush. You're a great kisser, by the way. Yeah, come here.